si secretary natin, si Kyle. I-monitor yung pagkakasunod-sunod para hindi magulo.
Lipat muna ako sa party channel. Wait lang mabilis.
Sige.
Judges, can you hear me? Chat kayo sa chat in party chat. Can you guys hear me? Okay, good.
Uy,
For judging, you know what to check,
seryoso.
right? So all you have to do is check their performance, their overall performance,
Mr.
and
Go,
their
you're the last
output,
one.
okay? A proper choice of emotes and their answer the question to tell me something about your outfit, right? And then for scoring, just give me one number.
Yung mga
One
tapos
is the
na
lowest,
dito kayo
and then 10
sa
is the
kabilang side
highest.
na.
Okay?
If you're done,
So say for
stay here
example,
at the
candidate one,
other side.
we score it this way. Okay, C1 and then followed by your score. So you can say C1 dash and then say for example your score is
Or
8.
pwede rin kayong pumesto
That's
muna
how you
sa
do it.
dito lang
Okay?
tayo.
Understood?
Dito na lang tayo
C1 means
pagtapos nyo
candidate
dito
number 1.
Diba
and then
babalik
your
kayo
score.
tapos pumunta kayo dito.
1 is the lowest, 10 is the highest.
Okay.
Got it? Rem? Okay. So again, C1, we leave it at that. C1, C2, up until C15. Alright? So I need 3 answers. I mean, three scores from you judges. Right? I am actually recording this. Alright? So I'll switch. Rem, you
Wala
can hear me
Ay,
in
nagsabit ka pala.
Discord, right?
Alam ko. Nagsabit ka. Lumot
Yes, okay,
yung
okay.
capture.
So I'll be switching voice chat now, okay? I'll be moving to guild voice chat, okay? Listen to us there, alright? Okay, good job. Thank you. Okay. Ready na, guys? Are you guys
Let's
all
go.
ready? Nakapila na ba sila?
Yes, sir.
Uy, good job. How about Yusaki? Did she make it? Is Yusaki here? Wala.
Wala.
Wala, no. Kahit si, Raycon. It's okay. So,
Raycon.
let's
So,
start.
13 na lang.
Yeah, so 13.
Para alam mo, mga uncle tong mga to matutulog na.
Totoo. So, we only have
Hanggang-
13 participants for today, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Alright, so now guys, let's officially start our event for today. This is the last part of our event actually. We're gonna be showcasing your outfit, okay, green outfit. So guild members, audiences, you can still participate, okay, by shouting anything in their nearby channel, okay, that will work as your scores, alright. So let's start with the first one here. After I said your entry title Rishin, that's the time that you're gonna walk, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start with our first candidate today, which is our guild leader. This is no other than Rishin, the ever dear hunter.
Sir.
Sure, you can shout guys if you want, so you can,
Hulog.
go guys. Keep on supporting them guys. You can shout anything in the nearby channel. And then the music stops. What happened? Yeah, just continue. The music, Mr. DJ. Sige, Shin, tuloy mo lang siya up until dun sa dulo.
Nawawala yung ano, yung scrolling. Reactivate niyo yung scrolling lagi ah.
Yeah, o kaya yung, ano yun, the wind sense, right, yung skill. Alright, so that's our first candidate for the day. This is Wishing. Alright, so the music is back. Okay, can you pause it a bit, ano, Xiao? So we can listen Shin's, ano, answer. Okay, so Shin, can you tell us something about your outfit for today?
So I choose this outfit because I think this is one of the most versatile outfit out there. And then I dyed it 3 shades of green with green accessories. And even with the different colors, I think that it will work on this outfit. So this is a very versatile outfit. Thank you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you, Shin, for joining, and thank you so much for your wonderful story behind your outfit for today. You look awesome, actually. All right, so let's move on. You can sit or you can go on the other side na here, so you can watch Shin. Just go any other places. Okay, there. Now let's move on to our Ayun, hold on. The judges scores. Hold on. Where's judges? I need your scores. Where's my thing? Okay, hold on. Let me just get those scores.
No glass and silver rain echoes hum through wired veins. Every shadow starts
Okay,
to
now we
Mamaya
got
meron pa tayo ah.
we got all the scores from the judges. Now let's move on to the next one. This is candidate number 2. This is Lu Bao. Her entry is Green Lunar Flash. Go ahead, Lu Bao.
in the silver pulse. We come alive, running where the stars collide.
Wow, may aura. May aura siya.
Nice effect, ha? You ha, yung madali na ha.
Uy, dragon. Nice one.
Frozen air on crystal skin. Circuits hum beneath the
Good.
fashion breeze in mercury streams with a ghost of golden dreams. Hold the line, don't break the glow. Let the
Galing.
neon gently flow. Every sparkle whispered vow we are
Nahulog pa yung character ko kanina.
in the silver pulse. We come alive, running where the stars collide. Touch the light, let the colors die. You and I in the silver
Nahulog.
Nahulog din siya. Okay lang. Balik boys. Okay. Nice one.
Natapil ako.
Ako nga nahulog eh.
Good job. Alright. So yeah, music please.
Kahit i-type mo na lang yung
Yeah, if you don't wanna talk,
Magmamic ba to?
Lubao, it's okay. But if
Ay.
you can turn on your microphone, that's a lot better. You don't need to talk in English too, okay? You can talk in Tagalog if you want. But if not, yeah, we'll chat, okay? So, Lubao, can you tell us something about your outfit today?
Wait lang. May naisip na ako. Yung mga ano hindi pa tapos,
This outfit
pwede yung
is...
yung mga hindi pa tapos, pwede nyo
Ah, yeah. Kaya mo
i-PM sa
i-copy
akin
to?
yung ano.
Copy. Yeah,
Pwede nyo
copy mo na
i-PM
lang.
sa akin yung explanation. Tapos babasahin ko na lang.
Pwede rin. Or you can copy and then send it sa nearby chat. Bumaw.
Pwede rin.
Para mabasa nila.
Pwede rin mag-ano kayo, mag-free type. Wow, nice!
Bagay, nadidinig naman ako ni Revis Hirimi eh. She actually joined my server in Discord and I shared screen so she can hear us. Okay, so she
Go
said
grass!
this outfit is inspired by the green grass of home. So sometimes it reminds me that I should touch some grass. Okay. Like, what kind of grass? Is that a No, not. Okay,
The
the
Mexican?
weed. Is it legal or illegal? Okay, thank you so much for joining, Lubao. So, judges, I need more scores now. C2, score, please. There you go. Okay, hold on. Let me just...
Knock knock, FBI!
Three,
Because...
one. Let the lights go up tonight. Midnight calling. Feel the fire.
Alright, good job. So I got all the scores from the judges. Now let's move on to our next candidate, third candidate for today. This is no other than Curiosa, and her entry for today is Corrupted Dear Goddess. Take it away, Curiosa. Go.
Upo nga ako dito.
Step into the flame.
Wow, sexy!
Let the worries fall. Let the music ride. Every
Uy, ang ganda ng touch nun yung yung antaw doon, yung title.
this is our
Corrupted Dear Goddess.
Yeah.
Nice one, nice one.
to the sky.
Pinag-isipan.
Happy New Year. Feel the energy. We're shining brighter than
Ang tagal naman ng ulan, bumabagyo. Ang signal ba to?
Naka-off yung sa akin, yung effect ko. Hindi ko makita.
Ay, nako.
Oo.
Oo. Bumabagyo. Yung mga tapos na, pwede kayong pumwesto sa
Oh,
gilid-gilid. Mamaya ko kayo tatawagin.
Para makita nyo.
Oh. Mamaya ko kayo tawagin pagka yung final rampa.
Yeah, there. You can press sa gilid-gilid. 36, 24, 30. Oh, vital statistics yarn. Alright, so that's gonna be... Oh, saan mo galing yung emote na yan? May emote pa na dito. Panis, sexy, lalaki. Okay, thank you so much for that, Curiosa. You have... Ang ganda ng outfit mo, promise. Okay, now, music. Can we lower it down a bit? There. Curiosa, can you tell us something about your corrupted dear goddess for today?
Ano kayo mag-chat nearby para makita din
Yeah.
nila, ano?
Nearby, or if you guys want to talk, that's okay too.
Ano sabi niya?
It's a retelling of the tale of the naming of this corrupted dear goddess. Is that just the title, or that's the concept? Oh, there's more.
Wow, I like it.
That's a lot. The corrupted deer goddess wears a flowing green dress streaked with deep crimson hues. Her gloves and trailing sleeves are drenched in the blood of her victims, while the ink was patterned along the hem glow in scarlet tones, marked by the stains of countless past at what's that? Atrocities? Oh my god! You made me nosebleed.
Atrocities.
Okay, curious, can you explain to conceal this figured face? She hides behind a mask that leaves
Oh,
only the lower half
my lore.
exposed, allowing her to
Your
pierce
character
apart
got some lore.
prey with ease. Adorning her hand is a razor sharp bone claw taken from one of the wolf maiden's skin, a gruesome fracture that eats her tearing flesh apart. My God,
5K, 5K,
you lecture
5K.
us. Wait, finally. Oh, it's not done yet. There's more. She wears a shattered green or pendant, symbol of the deer goddess corrupted divinity. Wow! No fancy dress, only a story to tell. Good job, good job. Okay, so once again, that's Curiosa. Okay, now judges, I need your scores again. C3 for Curiosa.
City whispers where the moments fly.
Okay,
Every test is sharp,
done.
deliberate, slow. High fashion rhythm where the
Oh, ang
need.
dami nating bisita. Maglagay tayo ng upuan.
Oh, can you add?
Crystal
Ano?
city
Shit.
pulses through my veins. Luxury
Wow!
only
Oh my god, all I can say is wow for that. Okay, now our next candidate, we ready?
storehouse spin the surreal. Every heartbeat
This would be Twilight Panda, and her entry is about Midori Prince. Okay, Twilight, the runway is all yours. Go ahead.
Sleep designs mirror the inner sound. Every corner hides a secret found. Luxury and rhythm dance in the air. Every move calculated, sharp and rare. Deep house whispers under neon glow.
Uy, ang dami nanonood sa atin. They came from other guilds.
Fashion in perfect flow. Crystal city fades into the dawn. Luxury and coldness linger on. Every step precise, every beat refined. Fashion music echoing in my mind.
Okay, finally mode. The Moon Dance. Alright, that's it. Or, again, it's gonna be Twilight Panda. Let's wait for this
Spray, spray.
to finish. Lupet! Uy, ang tagal mong bumaba dyan. Okay, okay, there you go. Alright, now Twilight, tell us something about your Midori Prince. You can chat it in the nearby chat, or you can also turn on your mic. Oh, there. Thank you for that question. The outfit is called Midori Prince. Midori is a Japanese word meaning green in English. Oh, really? I didn't know that. It is deeply tied to nature, a verdant nature with a little blue dye that represent water. The white glitter effect is air, and my skin color is earth. That's all. Thank you. Ooh, okay. Thank
Wow.
you for sharing that. See, we're actually learning something from this event. Midori means green. Okay, so once again, guys, let's give it up for Twilight Panda. Now, judges, I need your scores for C4, Twilight Panda.
Tinanggal ko muna yung mga layon. Hindi nakikita dito sa side eh.
Sige, sige.
Yung mga lion statue.
There you go. Hold on, let me just save
In this
those.
world, the spotlight's mine. Eyes are drawn where
Tignan ko na lang.
every heartbeat sets the groove.
Okay, so I got all the answers. Next candidate, be ready? Oh, this one is someone who's dear to me.
Shadow
Okay.
glimmer,
Hindi naman sa ano, pero matik may isang boto siya sa akin. Char lang.
Uy!
Okay, so
Naku,
let's give
bumanat
it
na
up.
naman to.
Let's give it up for Kirsch. Her entry for today is Emerald Enchantress. Take it away, Kirsch.
Wow! Ooh!
Oh, look at that effect! My God!
miracles follow where I go. Silk and
Oh,
whispers,
man.
subtle
I'm
and slow.
assuming you have several builders here.
Voices understood.
Oh, you should. We can answer that question. Several builders daw.
I on the fly.
Nah,
Galing
solo
sa-
builder, solo builder.
So, galing yun sa ibang guild. Sa guild ni ano, nila. They came from Spain, actually. Europe. Europe, server.
I'm the shadow glimmer, striking bright, dancing on the edge of dark and light. Every step a secret told, fierce and fearless, fierce and bold. Feel the magic in the air. I'm the shadow glimmer everywhere.
Ba't ulan ng ulan?
Wow, very impressive. Go, Bebe, ni guys. Wala ka.
Step by step, the night obeys. Colors bending in mysterious ways. No chains, no fear, only shine.
Okay, last emote for Kirsch.
Perfectly mine.
Oh, good start and good last ending. Mabango yan! Mabagyo or mabango? Hindi na umara. Ay, basta ko mabango eh. Mabagyo pala. Di kasi may bulaklak, diba? They practice flowers. Alright, so music, let's try to lower it down again. Ay, sorry. Alright, so Kirsch, can you tell us something about your entry for today? This is about Emerald Enchantress.
Anong oras na ba? Alas 3 ng hapon. 3 p.m. Hindi, sa ano? Yung online time.
Oras nila.
Online mode. Iilaw pa to eh, para makita nila yung pailaw natin.
Well, thanks to ChatGPT for my name. Talaga ba? Galing sa ChatGPT yan. Kala ko galing sa puso ko, hindi, joke na. I chose this outfit cause it's green. Thank you very much. That's a very, very wonderful answer. It's all about green, right? Yun yung reason kung bakit tayo nandito. Kung walang green, wala tayong event. So yun. Yun lang naman talaga yung sagot natin dyan. Okay, guys. So let's vote. Judges, C5. I'm waiting for your scores now. C5. Okay, there.
Every thought returns to you. Shimmer dust inside and dreams.
Ilan pa yan?
Hums through gold
Okay, next.
leaves.
Our next candidate, this is Kyle. Wow, he actually have two entries because he has two accounts with us. So the first one, this is it the girl or the? Okay, let's do the boy first. Jade Emperor. Go ahead, Kyle.
In the golden shadow, we fade, we glow, drifting where the soft lights flow. Touch the dark, let the colors slow. You and I in the golden glow.
Oh. Nice one, bro.
Pinilawan. Nanakit.
Nananakit ng audience. Yo! Ooh!
Fireworks.
Nice one, guy. Nice one.
Okay, last emote.
Frosted glass and
Tumakbo.
silver rain.
Kakagaling ko sa billboard ng mga to, ha?
The vein of a city.
Okay, thank you. So again, that's gonna be Kyle, his first account, which is Jade Emperor. Now, he says the outfit is all about working nearby channel. Okay. Jade Emperor is heavenly ruler in Chinese folklore. His green robes symbolize nature, peace, wisdom, renewal, harmony, and balance while governing heaven, earth, spirits, weather, and the celestial gods. Wow.
Ang malupit ng
Okay.
mga to, ah.
Parang nag-search pa sila, no?
Oo,
Thank you.
nag-prompt pa yata itong mga
Oh.
to, eh.
Thank you for that, Kyle. So, judges, this is gonna be C6. I'm waiting for your answer now.
Golden smoke from the lips of snow.
Hey, ChatGPT, please create.
Please create a prompt for me. Answer for me. Okay, there you go. So I got all of the answers here. Now let's move on to the next one. This is Kyle's second account, which is Jade Empress. Go ahead, Kyle.
Don't fade tonight. We're alive in winter light. Under the winter lights we shine. Moving slow in frozen time.
Uy, nagtawag ng kabayo.
We look a secret sign. Hearts collide in winter time.
Wow!
Hearts collide in winter time.
Daming nanonood, oh. All the way from other countries na yun, guys.
Hearts collide in winter's time.
Okay. Cute.
City glows like fraction light. Ever step by
Okay, last emote for Kyle.
the night.
You know. Alright, so that's gonna be Kyle's second account for today. So, what's the story behind the Jade Empress? every emperor, there's a Jade Empress who supports. Tama naman, di ba? So, walang emperor kung walang empress. Good job, good job. Alright. So, judges, C7 for Kyle's second account. I'm waiting for the scores now. There, C7. Thank you.
Ano, malupit mag-host to si Ras ah. Host ka talaga yata eh, no? Host ka?
Ano yan, Shin? Sorry.
Nag-host ka talaga?
Hindi, ngayon nga lang ako
Sa mga
nag-host eh.
Bagay mo.
alam
Bagay
mo,
mo.
alam mo yun, sa gilid lang ako naging event organizer. First time ko maging event organizer ng, pero at least, it's an experience for me, guys. Diba? Alright, so let's move on.
Faye pwede sa ano, sa Windtail. Windtail lunch.
Ano yun daw?
Kay Faye.
Gusto nyo mag-on
If you
mic?
use voice can only don't.
Ah, yeah.
Oh.
You can use Windtail.
Windtail.
Windtail, yeah.
Para lahat makarinig.
Yeah. Actually, that's a lot better if we can hear you guys. Okay. Alright, so our next one is Shiki here. Oh yes, she made it. Alright, good job. Okay, so our next candidate, this is none other than one of the, ano ba? One of the tumanda na, lumumot na.
OG.
Oo, OGs, one of the OGs from our guild. This is Ikieni, where the wildflowers grow. Go ahead, Jenny, show us what you got.
Yoo-hoo! Uy, Bumble! Wala akong emote na ganun. O, dito, ganda ng emote mo sa akin. Dito kami lahat. Scarecrow! Yahoo!
Okay, Nasimo. The legendary, ano to? Yung, ano niya, dice? Di ba, kulit niya mag-dice? Nag-dice na naman siya.
Yun na yung
Oh, the legendary guys for
Yun na yung
Brown
idea.
Yenny.
Nvidia.
You made me laugh again. See, I remember that day na napakakulit mo. Hulog ka ng hulog ng dice. Anyway, Yenny, alright, so tell us something about your outfit today.
Buwan para sa prop. Saan nilalagay? Z.
She wanders
Anong
deep into the forest while
anong klase mo buwan?
endlessly.
Ay.
Guided only by
Ay,
the
akala ko
lantern
kaya.
of light and the fury companion that never leaves her side. Her flowing floral outfit and ivy-covered arms make her look as tough the woods themselves dress her. But the skeletal hand stained with blood. Alam mo niyo, mas maganda kung yung nagbabasa nito. Hits that the forest has already taken a part of her. Lost between
yung
beauty
hindi, lahat
and
tayo
nature,
nandun. Pati yata yung guest.
she slowly becomes one with the enchanted wilderness. She can no longer escape. Oh,
Ay,
thanks
hindi, wala
for
sila.
sharing that, Yenny. So once
Wala
again, that's so sa Wintil hindi nila yun naririnig. Kaya nga nag-share ako ng screen kay Rev para nadidinig niya tayo. Okay, so Yenny, judges, score for Yenny, this is C8. C8. There you go.
Yung mga contestant, later, pagkatapos ng ute, ilaw ulit tayo doon sa, ano, sa likod.
Alright, so thanks for that. So next candidate we got our DJ for today. This is Xiao Nover. Xiao Nover? Yes, and her entry for today is Your Music, Xiao.
Nagulat ako kanina sa may kalaban tayo, shout
Oh,
out.
iniba niya yung song. Iniba niya yung song for
Bayan?
iniba niya yung song niya. Go, Xiao. Mawutang tayo siya yung DJ. Iniba niya yung song niya. Yung song choice siya.
Home court advantage. Home court advantage.
Lugi ah.
Uy, nag-flute.
Ikaw na naman na sa isip ko. It's cute. Oh, ang cute nga ng
Oh.
character ni Xiao.
Oo. Iba rin talaga ang ano, no? Ang effect ng buhok, no?
Oo, totoo.
Proper na hair.
Oo. Tingnan mo pati yung mga visitor natin naka-green na rin ngayon. Nag-green na sila. Ito si Harmony, nag-green na siya. Katabi namin siya ngayon. Tapos nakikita niya daw dito sa pwesto. Okay, last remote for Xiao.
Ayan, nawala na yung ulan. Sa wakas.
Wow! Look at that emote!
Ay, ang galing, ah.
Ang ganda!
Anong emote yan?
Oo, saan mo galing yan? Is that an emote or spotlight? Tingin ko spotlight to. Right? Looks like spotlight eh. Hindi siya emote.
Bubot kita.
Tapos ba yun? Parang... Oh, okay. Alright, so thanks. Again, we have Xiao Nover, Autumn Bloom. Xiao, can you tell us something about your outfit?
Oh, yan ang mga ilaw.
Diyan na ba? Nasaan na yung nearby ko? Ayun. Okay, so when I was browsing for outfits, I thought this was super cute and breezy. As for the color, I chose something mild with a touch of autumn colors, very easy on the eyes, and no bright neon colors.
Siguro
Yeah.
ano to, babae ko si
Simplicity
Xiao.
makes,
Babae
di ba? Itama, totoo. Looks like babae siya. No? Simplicity makes beauty. Beauty makes simplicity, di ba? Yung mga ganun. So, yung simple things makes prettier sometimes. So, good job. So, judges, scores for Xiao, this is C9. C9.
Si Sumi, si Polo, tsaka si...
Oh, good scores like that. Okay.
Bilhin ko nga yung outfit na yan. Na-influence ako, ah.
Okay, so once again, let's give it up for Xiao. Thank you so
Influencer.
much for that, Xiao. Now we move on to our next candidate. This is
Sinong next?
Mop.
Mop.
Yeah, Mop. And her or his entry is A Deer in the Blue. Mop, take it away. Ba't parang nag-glitters yung ano niya? Ang ganda ng outfit niya, no?
Yung ulo niya?
Ah,
Oo nga, no? Ano yan?
yung damit. Yung sa floral. Nag-glitter yung glitter sa floral. Bubbles.
What's your opinion in
Oh,
heels?
oh.
No shit, admit it.
Nag-aamok ko. Nag-aamok.
Pinahamon na kayo sa gitna. Pag daw di nyo binoto, ganun yung mangyayari.
Nag-aamok. Oo, ganito siya.
Good si Aso, ka pa, sabi mo. Okay, last emote for Mukno. Nabigay ng pera. Alright, so once again, that is Mukno. Okay, now Muk, tell us something about your glittering outfit for today.
Ilan pa?
I'm a dear because I'm
Zika.
dearly beloved and I thank you. And you are dearly beloved. Well, I can tell that. Good job. Okay. So, judges, that's gonna be C10. Okay. Scores please. C10. Thank you. By the way, guys, this is all recorded, okay? So, I'm gonna be sharing you the recording and you can see the judges' score, okay, after this one. Alright, so let's move on to the next candidate. This is one of the oldest nilumot na rin sa ating guild. OG, we can say. This is none other than Z Yao, the beauty with the dash queen. She is Beauty and Silk Fury in battle. Go ahead, Xiao. Ganda rin ng pagkakagaling nito.
Naririnig kanila ko? Yung mga bisita mo?
Sa Discord, nasa Discord, nasa server ko sila. In-invite niyo them.
Still eyes trace the city skin lines of rhythm draw me in. Dreams repeat machine within. Noise dissolves emotions thin.
Angas.
Frames hold still design remains. Lost highs quiet and mute.
Uy.
Oh.
Control takes on time forgets its day.
Galing.
Ganyan na.
Ano yun? Ba't may may tumira ng skill? Okay, last emote
Umulan ulit.
for Z. You know, nagpabango din, guys. Naglabas siya ng bulaklak. Alright, so once again, let's give it up for Z Kiao. Alright, so Z, tell us something about your outfit for today. Again, you guys can use our with tail if you want to talk, but if not, the chat will do. I am wearing clad in flowing emerald silk and shadowed fur, layered robes, golden embroidery and ceremonial details weave together beauty, power, and battle-board elegance. I am Ezekiel, healer whose grace conceals fury, beauty and silk, fury in battle. Wow! Kahit di ko naintindihan, pero may rhyme siya. Hindi, naintindihan ko naman. Ang ganda, ang ganda. May rhyme siya kapag binabasa mo. So, ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. Good job, Z. So, judges, score for Z11. Z11 for CCAP.
Every step begins to flow. Let the
Anxious na to si ano, si Faye.
sing, we are kings and queens serene. On the urban frost runway tonight. We move in shadows.
Good job. Alright. So our... Ay! Yeah, we don't have Raycon, right? Hold on. Raycon is not here.
Si ano, Faye.
Yeah.
Tapos si Jose na, yung last. Wala rin si Osaki. Faye and then Jose. Guys, pagkatapos ni Faye, ramp ulit.
Okay. So there, I got it updated, so we don't have Raycon and Yusaki. Alright. So our next candidate, this is Faye. Her entry is about Lumon. Go ahead, Faye. Mukha nga naman siya lumot. Yung pagkaka-green. Uy, nahimatay! Uy! Batin niya! Need healer. Nadulas sa lumot. Nadulas daw sa lumot. Oh, nadulas ulit.
Ang kulit dito.
At least, diba, tawag dito, pinanindigan niya yung lumot, diba? Nakakadulas nga naman yung lumot. So pretty, you made yourself big. Pinapanindigan talaga niya. Nice.
Na-anxious siya, na-anxious. Nasa 80.
Yun yung mga consistent na galaw. In character talaga siya. Di ba? Nakakaupo. Okay, last emote for
Guys, mag-ready na kayo, ha?
Is that it? The last emote?
City turns
Oh.
closer
Is that it?
when the night takes
She
shape.
dancing?
Lights make the
Oh!
pavement, sharp lines escape. I step into focus.
Wow! Look at
Slow
that!
precise. Every movement
Oh, nice!
Magrumamba na si Jose.
Grabe!
Yung iba pumunta dito sa likod.
Lumot dance, pero ang galing. That's a wonderful ending. Faye. Okay, good. Now, Faye,
Nice one, Faye.
it's your turn to shine. Tell us something about your outfit for today. Lumot. Mag-on mic ka ba? Medyo hindi ka namin nadidinig. Hindi siya narinig. Try mong i-on ulit yung mic.
Yung mic.
On and off.
Yung mic. Dapat mag-green siya sa'yo.
Totoo. Sa windtail ha.
Yan. Pag nagsasalita ka, dapat merong green na logo dun sa
Totoo.
pangalan. Ayan, di ba? Makita mo yung mic.
We just have very, very little technical difficulties here. Hindi man siya rinig. Sino yan? I want to see backstage. Yeah, you can. Where is...
Baka naka-off yung settings mo.
Yeah.
Yung settings mo. Audio. Mamaya, after ni Jose, linya-linya tayo ah. Yung papunta right, tapos yung pabalik left. Yung center lang na runway yung dadaanan. Hey!
Ayaw man. Hala, but ayaw. Okay, can you type it instead? Mababait yung mga guests natin ngayon nakikipag-communicate, nagre-reach out. Kirsch, your mic is on. What's that? Ayun yung kay Kirsch, nag-on siya. Try mo, minsan bug talaga siya. On and off mo lang siya.
Every heartbeat sparks the fire within. Neon pulses flow beneath the glow.
Sorry.
I own the rhythm I run.
Kung ayaw talaga, i-chat mo na lang siya, Free.
I'm a chroma rush, sliding through the night, fierce, untamed.
Di naman nakakapagsalita ang lumot eh. Oo nga naman, pero yeah. Is that your answer? I'm gonna telling it to them. Nilulumot lang ako. Is that it?
Go Kong, you're next!
You're good with that, Free?
Reflections follow
I choose lumot or green. I'll go for humor purposes.
Okay.
Haha. That's a very humorous answer, Faye. Good job. Okay, judges, we got C12. Okay, your vote please, C12.
Oh, dito na yung ano natin, MVP. Let's go! MVP, MVP.
The MVP. Okay, wait, alright, good job. Hold on. So we got a... Ooh! Okay, awesome. Alright, okay, for our last candidate, this is last but not least. He is also from other country. This is none other than Jose. His entry title is about Wonder Go to Bed, Free Will of Stranger. Go ahead, Jose. Your turn now.
Silipin ko nga anong gagawin niyo si.
Wow, good outfit. Nice.
Parang dancer sa Thailand to ah.
Oh, I actually like that outfit, to be honest. Whoa, the Tai Chi.
Whoa. Nice, nice. Pagkatapos nung under ni Jose, lakasan mo yung music ah. Ay, oh, sige. Wait lang. Ready na ba kayo sa final na rampa natin, guys? Asan na iba? Mga kasali. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Ayun, ikaw yan? Sino yung nagsalita? Ay,
Okay, there you go. Last, ano?
Yung mga contestant, palinya ulit. Linya. Dito sa likod.
Gumana na yung mic niya. This one. I know you will turn on your microphone, Susan. Okay. So tell us something about your outfit today. This is about the free will of stranger. Go ahead. Oh, talaga hindi siya on mic. Anyway, he is us in daily life. Okay, normal human live the life. The outfit inspired by all human passed by. Oh, maybe that's the reason why you have those tattoos. Green meaning in this outfit is you. Oh, were born and alive from tree, the source of many life. Woo!
Heart.
Outfit from the scrap. Awesome! Is that it? Live a little, laugh a little, love a little, happiness will find you in a big way.
Ay, nako, wala yung ano niya.
There's something, there's missing. Live a little, love a little, love you sa ay, happiness will find you in a big way. You love yeah, that's it. Okay, so judges, that's gonna be nanonood siya sa DC. Oh, okay. So judges, we got C13 scores, please.
Gokong, move to the end of the line. We'll do a final walk.
Good job, everyone. Okay, so you can, Shin, you can do the final walk. You guys can do the final.
The end of the line. Go back to the end of the line.
I'll join
Tara
you
guys,
judges
tara.
here.
Okay, let's go.
Currents flow softly through the silent hall.
Oh, pang naman.
Patterns unfolding in controlled cascade.
Ay, diretso. Asan na kayo?
Where's the rest, guys?
Wait lang.
You follow them.
Ano? Sunod. Halina kayo. Sige, yung next. Halina kayo. Yan. Ganyan.
Ganun tignan. Dapat
O, di ba? Oh, okay. Angas, di ba?
This is so fun. Okay, so that's our event for today.
Tayo na tayo sa gitna.
Can we take photo here? Photo.
Saan tayo mag-photo?
Dito na lang. Yung iba
Dito?
sa harapan, yung iba sa
Ah, sige.
boys, in the
Okay.
middle, we can try sit.
Pati yung mga guests.
Even the guests.
Silver lines cut through the smoky room. Every step floating in a quiet blue.
Judges,
Cool vibrations set
where are you?
on the scene. Fashion music wrapped in sheen. The surgery fades without a sound. Luxury
na kayong
Kita ba? Kita ba yung iba?
yung vlog pa. Yung vlog. Oh, kita lahat lang. Okay.
Make sure kita ko.
Siyaw. Hindi ka makita dyan.
Dito na ako sa bandang ano ba?
Siyaw. Umakyat ka dun sa may ano. Ay, Ras, hindi ka kita. Dito ka sa may malapit sa akin.
No, no, no.
Nice,
no,
guys.
no, no.
Siyaw, hindi ka kita. Siyaw, hindi ka kita. Gumilid ka. Dito pa, sumentro ka. Wait lang. Yung, yan ako yung focus niya, yung focal length. Ayan. Kita na lang. Sige, pause lang, wait, pause.
Through my pace, silver tones wrap around my face. Velvet shadows redesign the space. Smoke curls slow in a perfect trace. Fiery beats fall
Okay na.
soft and
Okay, so guys, I'll be giving you another 15 minutes to re-vote, okay? And then magpo-post ako kapag tapos na. I-vote dun
Right,
sa,
sige.
sa photos.
cold discipline.
I'll end my load chat.
Move
Voice
through
chat.
stillness,
Thank you everyone. I-announce ko yung winner sa guild chat
Shots
natin and sa Discord, okay? Kasi kailangan kong mag-match.
Congrats, guys.
Congrats kung sino man mananalo. I'll be posting it right away as soon as I have the scores, okay? Let's think.
Thank you, judges.
What a nice host too. Good job. Ayaw nga pala. Just so you guys know, Rev is my partner here in the game. Thank you guys.
Bubot na ako.
Like our shadows